Hello everyone, welcome to the iComparer. Today we asked AI about an important topic, the best side hustles for 2023. With the world of work changing rapidly, more and more people are looking for ways to supplement their income and find financial security. Whether you're looking for a way to pay off debt, save for a big purchase, or just have some extra cash on hand, a side hustle can be a great way to achieve your financial goals. One of the best side hustles for 2023 is freelancing. With the rise of the gig economy, there are more opportunities than ever to monetize your skills and talents. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or marketer, there are plenty of platforms out there that can connect you with clients looking for your services. Some popular platforms include Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Another great side hustle for 2023 is e-commerce. With the rise of online shopping, it's never been easier to start your own online store and sell products to customers all over the world. Whether you're selling physical products or digital goods, there are plenty of platforms and tools that can help you get started. Some popular e-commerce platforms include Shopify, Amazon, and Etsy. A third great side hustle for 2023 is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn money by promoting other people's products. When you promote a product and someone clicks on your unique link, you'll earn a commission on any sales made from that click. There are many affiliate networks and platforms that you can use to find products to promote, such as Amazon Associates, Commission Junction, and ClickBank. A fourth side hustle for 2023 is tutoring or teaching online. With the ongoing pandemic, more and more students are taking their classes online, and this has led to a huge demand for online tutors and teachers. Whether you're an expert in a specific subject or just have a talent for teaching, you can find work as an online tutor or teacher on platforms like ByteKid, iTutor Group, and Cambly. A fifth side hustle for 2023 is podcasting. Podcasts are a great way to share your expertise and build an audience around a specific topic. It's easy to get started and the cost is relatively low. You can monetize your podcast through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and merchandise. In conclusion, there are many great side hustles for 2023. The key is to find one that aligns with your interests, skills, and experience. Whether you're looking to monetize your skills and talents, sell products, or build an audience, there are plenty of opportunities out there to help you achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you want to see next.